Hi, everyone, and welcome to our virtual back to school night, and welcome to the Ag Room. My name is Mrs. Kelly Parks, and I am the agricultural science teacher here at the high school. And tonight I want to just go over with you the classroom rules that I've provided with your child with, and then also give you a tour of the classroom that your child and I get to enjoy together. So to start with the classroom rules, here they are. Your child was provided with this. We have our basic rules here. These are the same types of rules that they would have had since kindergarten and first grade. I work on respect a lot in my classroom and it's very important to me. The homework policy, I do accept late work. They might get a few points off for it being late, but I always tell the students that some points are better than no points. And if it happens a lot, we will really focus on getting those homework assignments in on time. The students will need a classroom binder to keep all of their materials in. I will also work with them on organizational skills, and they will actually get points for that binder being organized. So they have those organizational skills for them in the future. Test policy, I do have a redo and retake test policy. So how that works is your student needs to come and have a discussion with me of why they need to redo or retake that test, and maybe some things of how we're going to prepare for the test better the second time. And then as well as we will schedule a time for that student to retake a test. And then basically this last part here just states that if kids are on an FFA event with me, that they will also follow the classroom rules. Underneath, I had your students sign this. I did not require that the parent had to sign it. The students and I agreed that they were young adults and they could sign it, understanding that they read the rules and they are agreeing to abide by the rules. And so next, I would like to give you just a little tour of the classroom. That way you can see the environment that your students and I get to enjoy. So this would be you walking into the classroom and the FFA room. So I have a lot of technology in the classroom. I have a nice ViewSonic board that the students really are enjoying in the class, as well as a lot of decorations, a lot of cow pictures. I keep the assignments posted on our to-do board, so that is available to the students, as well as a calendar to keep the students up to date on what is going on. I have ag events posted here, and we have CDE events posted here. And as we circle around, we have our announcements going on the screen above. And then we have our small little fish tank that the students really enjoy. Then we have a nice little sitting area in the back for some collaboration, as well as a table to work together in a group if that allows. We do a lot of group work and a lot of hands-on work in my classroom. So the table is very important. And then out to the shop, which we use as our science lab as well. So you can see all of our science equipment. You can see our larger aquaponics over there in the corner where we will have fish and lettuce. And then our shop tables that were painted by our art class, as well as our shop sink and cleaning area, as well as some of our tools. So that's kind of the tour of the classroom and the work environment that your children will be enjoying this year. And then lastly, sorry about that, I get a lot of questions about what is FFA, and can your child join FFA? Yes, we talk a lot about FFA in the class. But if your child is not taking an ag class, they can still be an FFA. And here are some awesome things that happen within the FFA program. We go to conferences. We have fun educational competitions where kids can learn a lot of new things. Trap shooting is involved in FFA. So if kids want to be part of the trap shooting team, they need to be part of FFA. Greenhouse sales, school-wide projects, trips. Kids are really excited about eating good food. And then also our alumni provides scholarships for the children. If you need to get a hold of me at any time, my email is kparks@fvdistrict221.org. And my phone number, if you ever need to reach me that way, is listed on the student's syllabus. So I am glad to have your student in class. and we are going to have an awesome year. Thank you.